Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to cancel your premium subscription on Speechify on your iPhone. Now if you want to cancel your premium subscription of Speechify on your iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your Speechify account, then you won't be able to cancel it. So simply open the Speechify app. So here this is home page of Speechify, and at the very bottom right you will see the option of basic plans and all of the things. Now first check if your plan is basic or if you are a premium member. So if you have already purchased the premium, simply go back to settings on your iPhone, and from here you just need to click on the option of search and search subscriptions. So click on the option of subscriptions. So under the subscription page you'll be able to find all of the things which you have subscribed to. So if you have subscribed to Speechify, here you will see it. So click on it, and from there you will see the option of cancel subscription. So click on the option of cancel subscription and confirm it to cancel a subscription of the Speechify. So that's it. That's how you can cancel a subscription of the Speechify. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.